My name is Tiffany. This is my review of the On Veneers. Backstory on my teeth. When I got pregnant with my first child, my teeth started to break down from that pregnancy. Stayed very sick with her all the time, and it just took its toll on my teeth. From then on, I was very embarrassed of my smile. I looked like I was no fun to be around. I always looked like I wasn't having fun, but I was just hiding my true self from everybody. I almost canceled my order, to be honest, because I was scared I was going to waste my money. I did read all the negative reviews out there, and I'm glad I stuck with my decision to just wait till they came in and at least try them on. If I didn't like them, I could have returned them, but I love them. These are my teeth before the On Veneers. So let's see. Here are my bottoms. I got the classic, or not the Hollywood, but the one in between. So they're very easy. You just pop them right in. Tops. They fit great. The first day, it feels a little weird. Give it a day to adjust. Kind of easy to talk in. You can't really notice a big change in my speech. They're a little challenging to eat in. I don't like to eat hard foods in them. I will eat soft foods or drink liquids, but nothing hard. To me, they feel like they kind of moved around. I didn't want to break them or anything. This is my smile with them in. I've always had big teeth in the front, so the reason why they look big is because that's literally what my molds, that's what my teeth look like. I'm going to school to be a teacher, so it was very important to me to be able to get my smile back, because who wants to be around a teacher who looks like she's not having fun or interacting with her kids? So this was very important for me. When I put them in, I honestly cried a little bit because I haven't been able to really smile. My kids notice a difference. They say I look happier. We actually had family pictures, so these came in just in time. And they came in very quick. Actually, I don't even think it took the whole 2 weeks, to be honest. I just want to thank On Veneers for giving me my confidence back, my smile back. I'm not afraid to be myself anymore. These are great. Thank y'all.